Here's how to set up a Pinecone.io account. Go to Pinecone.io and create a free account. There's no credit card required for this. You don't need to pay much attention to the initial settings. What is important here is to click Create Index. Then choose a name, configure the dimensions to 1536, leave on cosign, and click Create Index. Once created, you'll need to copy the name and the environment. You'll also need an API key. Click on API keys in the left menu and click the copy icon to copy your API key. Do not show or reveal your API key to anyone, as this is direct access to your account. Now, log into your account and click on Settings in the left menu and select Profile. Click the Knowledge Base Service tab and click the pencil icon. Here, you'll enter in the Pinecone.io credentials you copied earlier, your index name, the environment you copied, and the API key that you copied. Click on Edit to save it. Congratulations! You've successfully entered your Pinecone details.